Hi guys, with the blessing, full as most merciful and most all beneficent. Today our video is about the Google account settings and the different Google account settings, our Gmail settings, how can we visit our Gmail inbox and what is Gmail inbox. So going to the three, you can see on the top right corner here 9 dots. I click here and here's the option for the Gmail. So as soon as you click here Gmail, here's your Google Gmail. So here you can see there are the recent Gmails, and first of all here's the Gmail about the Google and Pinterest and so on. On the left side here you see is the three lines, the main menu, the three lines main menu. As soon as I click there, the three lines, the main menu, here are the multiple options you can see. The first one is the Gmail inbox, and after that here's the option for the inbox, and as soon as you click on the inbox, you can see there we going to the inbox. Here is the I click on inbox has already been registered. Here the message will appear that you have started. For example, I start that Pinterest message. Okay, I go back and see you how can we start it. I have started, and I also want to start. So I go to the start option, and you can see one of your email has been started. Start mean to save your important Gmails. Then here's the snooze. Say if you want to snooze someone, for example, um, I want to snooze it. Okay, so I click here, and here is the option for snooze. Okay, next weekend. Okay, that has been snoozed. Now you can see it has been started, and it has also been snoozed for 1 week. That was the start, and that was news. Now here you can find your sent email. So that here is the option for send email. Sent, here is no option, and then there is a draft. Here will be the saved. Then there is the more the important chat schedule all mail spam, and here is the bin. Here the email will appear that you have deleted. For example, I visit here, and I show you that uh, here is the one of that Gmail I want to delete it. For example, I want to delete the Pinterest mail that has been above. So as I click here and as I delete it, okay, I move to bin. Okay, now it has been moved to bin, and you can go to your bin and you can see. So you can see the phone number added, uh, phone number, and now I'll move back and you have to see the create a new label. You can also create a new label from your place into your new label name. For example, so place enter. So that you have to label your name. For example, I label here, and now under new label, and after that you have to click on create. Now the label fork was created here. So goodbye for today, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next tutorial with a new video.